What is Liverpool all about? Is there more to the city than the football clubs? Let's find out as we take a breathtaking aerial tour of Liverpool, a city with a rich history, world-famous sports brands, and a captivating culture. We lift off in the city center, and immediately the skyline of this historic city comes into view. The skyline is dominated by the Liverpool Cathedral, the largest cathedral in Great Britain. Designed by Sir Giles Scott, it is a masterpiece of Gothic revival architecture. It was completed and declared open by Queen Elizabeth I in 1978, and since then have been visited by several members of the royal family, including King George VI. Situated on St. James's Mount, Liverpool Cathedral offers breathtaking views of the city and the River Mersey. Our drone journey continues around the city centre and towards the River Mersey, a vital waterway that has shaped Liverpool's history. The river stretches from Stockport to Liverpool Bay and has been a key part of Liverpool's development as a major port city. Several highlights around the River Mersey include the Royal Liver Building, the Albert Dock, the Power Head, and the Mersey Gateway Bridge. What is Liverpool without the football clubs? So first, we head over to Anfield Stadium, the legendary home of Liverpool FC. Established in 1884, Anfield originally hosted Everton FC before they moved to Goodison Park in 1892. Liverpool FC has since made Anfield their home, from where they have enjoyed success domestically and in Europe. Liverpool is indeed one of England's most successful football clubs ever. Next, we fly over Goodison Park, the historic home of Everton FC since 1892, and a location they will be vacating in the forthcoming football season. Everton is one of the oldest and most successful clubs in England, and is the club with the second longest continuous presence in English top-flight football. Goodison Park was one of the first purpose-built football grounds in the world, and with a capacity of over 39,000, Goodison Park has hosted more top-flight games than any other stadium in England, including the 1966 FIFA World Cup, where it hosted 5 games. So that's it for the drone video of Liverpool. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think of the video in the comment section. After this amazing drone video of Liverpool, please subscribe if you want to see more videos of exciting locations around the UK. Indeed, you should check out this drone video of Manchester, with its history and sports brands, attracting millions of people to the city. Click here to watch it now.